Right, we're outside Mr. Fogg's Tavern. Taming of the Shrew, Shakespeare's Taming of the Shrew. Theatre Royal, Covent Garden, 1835. Let's sign up there. But this is a beautiful, beautiful tavern. We're going to go inside, we have permission. We're going to go inside. It's a very sunny day, so forgive any overexposure or underexposures going on. But there you go, there's the entrance, lovely floral entrance. And those beautiful roses. Amazing. We'll have a look at the side of the tavern as well. It's better, now we're out the sun. But yeah, there's a little plaque on the side. Let's go and see what that says. We're going to go inside. We have permission, as I said, but we will obviously not try and disturb any of the people eating. But there's a little plaque up there, and that says Gertrude Fogg, 1800 to 1885, actress, adventurer, and bon vivant. And this is Mr. Fogg's Gin Parlour. To enter Mr. Fogg's Gin Parlour, please speak to landlady Fanny McGee inside the tavern. We're going to head inside and hopefully get some footage. Lovely place to sit outside, actually, some heaters there. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful tavern. You can see up there. It's really good. It's the sun's out this morning, so it's very, very bright. Welcome, weary traveller. Please wait to be seated. And off we go inside. Look at this. Look at all of the decoration on the ceiling. We have ships, bunting with the Union flag on them. It's a gin palace. Yeah. Punch and juicy. What's there going on? There's a picture on the wall there. Fish. And stuffed animals. These are the toilets. Oh, that man's just gone in the ladies. Oh dear. Secret door. Looks like a bookcase, but there's an actual door. I just saw somebody come out of that. This is rather nice on the ceiling. Lots of stuff to look at while you sit and enjoy a gin or two, or five. Sorry. Yeah, very nice. One last look at the bar. We have some prices up on the board there. Rather nice little place to come and have a drink.